Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to another Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about dividing polynomials using synthetic division. Alright, so let's divide x cubed minus 5x plus 3 and x plus 3. In dividing polynomials using synthetic division, our first step is for us to equate our divisor to 0 and then solve for the value of x. So let's transpose positive 3 to the other side of the equation, giving us a negative value. So our value of x is equal to negative 3. So our divisor for this synthetic division will be negative 3. For our dividend, we will just copy the coefficient of our polynomial x raised to 3 minus 5x plus 3. So let's start with our first term. Our first term has a coefficient of 1. For our second term, okay, so observe that between x raised to 3 and x, there should be another term here for x squared. But since we don't have any term for x squared, we will add a term for x squared having a coefficient of 0 for its placement. So we have 0x squared between x raised to 3 and negative 5x. So we need to copy the coefficient of x squared, which is 0. So we need to add 0 for the placement of x squared. Then let's continue with negative 5 and positive 3 for our last term. Then from there, let's apply our synthetic division. So first, let's bring down positive 1. So let's bring down positive 1. Then let's multiply positive 1 by our divisor, negative 3. So 1 times negative 3, that is negative 3. So we place it here, negative 3. Then let's add 0 and negative 3. So 0 plus negative 3 is negative 3. Then let's repeat the same procedure. We multiply negative 3 and negative 3, that will give us positive 9. So let's place positive 9 here. Then let's add negative 5 and 9. So negative 5 plus 9, that is positive 4. So positive 4. Then let's repeat again. 4 times negative 3, that will give us negative 12. And let's place it here, negative 12. Then let's add positive 3 and negative 12. So 3 plus negative 12 is negative 9. So we're done with our synthetic division. Let's identify what will be the variable of our leading term, or what is our leading term. So since we divided x cubed and x, their quotient will be, so x raised to 3 divided by x. So our leading term will be x squared. So we will start with x squared, followed by x, followed by a constant, and our last term, negative 9, will serve as our remainder. So negative 9 will be our remainder. Now, let's write our final answer. So to write our final answer, we will just copy x squared minus 3x, then positive 4. Then let's add our remainder. So plus our remainder, which is negative 9. And let's place our divisor. So over our divisor, which is x plus 3. And that will be our final answer. So x squared minus 3x plus 4 plus negative 9 over x plus 3. And that is our quotient. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.